Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Switch Mario Kart 8 using an easy method. First, launch the game and select your character and kart. Before starting a race, press the plus or minus button to open the pause menu. Here, you can enable smart steering and auto accelerate. These two settings are key to simplifying your gameplay experience, allowing you to focus more on fun. With auto accelerate on, your kart moves forward automatically. Your main job is to steer with the left joystick, guiding your character through the course. Pay attention to item boxes. Driving through them grants you a random item. Use your items wisely by pressing the L or R button to gain an advantage over your opponents or defend yourself from attacks. Smart steering is a fantastic helper, especially on tricky tracks. It automatically guides your kart away from the edges, preventing you from falling into hazards. Auto accelerate means you never have to hold down the gas, freeing up your thumb. Together, these features make Mario Kart 8 incredibly accessible, letting you enjoy the race without worrying about complex controls. To truly excel, try to collect 10 coins in each race. They boost your top speed. Also, practice drifting around corners by holding the R button. Releasing it at the right time gives you a mini-turbo boost. Remember, the more you play, the better you'll get at anticipating turns and using items effectively. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.